This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Adam Lester. Hurry to see this newly renovated vacation pool home and the great flow that the floor plan has to offer. Just steps from Palma Sola Bay and 6 miles from Anna Maria Island. Open concept split floorpan with 4 large bedrooms and 2 baths, island kitchen/living/dining combo with an additional huge entertainment/home gym room and office. This spacious split floorpan offers a master suite with a walk-in closet, en-suite bathroom, and office overlooking your pool. Enjoy dinner by your fireplace or watch the sunset from your patio. Large driveway and plenty of parking. Perfect family home or great for an Airbnb. A bit of the very tall 8-foot privacy fence is on a general contractor's list for an affordable repair. Keyless fingerprint front door with remote unlock. A short walk to Portosueno Park to see the manatees. Bring all offers. For more information.